In the cosmetics industry, German freeze-drying machine makers drive progress with top tech and quality. The cheap German freeze-drying machine aids high-end skincare and raw material production. Freeze-drying preserves active ingredients and natural nutrients, boosts shelf life, and creates hit products like freeze-dried masks, loved for quick skin nourishment and repair. As demand for natural, organic, high-efficiency cosmetics rises, the German freeze-drying machine gains wider use. It offers efficient drying, helping brands meet quality needs. Organic lines, using this freeze-drying machine, make more potent products, lifting their market edge. German freeze-drying machine suppliers have bright prospects. Their advanced tech, quality, and innovation bring new opportunities. The German freeze-drying machine will keep leading cosmetics processing, delivering better products to consumers.